Welcome to Shakarina Bahabi. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my journey of cutting my hair and my big chop basically. I basically chopped all my hair off 10 months ago because I was just over the whole, my hair being messed up, my hair was super damaged, my curl patterns were damaged. I really didn't have a curl pattern. My hair was like curly on the top, wavy, then straight on the ends, and I was just so tired of it. I couldn't do my wash and go, and I usually like my hair to be washed and go, and I just couldn't do that anymore. So I just decided to make a decision to do the big chop, and I think that was one of the best decisions I could have done for my hair, because these 10 months of my hair being, you know, chopped off, it really helped a lot with my growth. And not only that, my hair is definitely more healthier. It's way more curlier than it was before. So I'm going to be showing you guys the hair oil that a DIY hair oil that I made, and it's been really helping me out with my hair. And I also put it on my scalp, but not all the time. So I'm gonna actually talk about how I made that oil, and then also I'm gonna be showing you guys the shampoo that I use for my hair. And I love the shampoo, and I'm gonna talk all about it. So, and another oil that I use as well. So hopefully you like this video, and don't forget to put the thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I'm also on Instagram, so if you guys ever want to follow me, I'm always active there, and you guys can ask me any skincare questions, any makeup questions that you guys might have. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and also leave it right here so you guys can go and follow me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button though. Okay, that's an important thing. Alright guys, so here are the oils that I'm going to be using to make this DIY. This is rosemary oil. I got rosemary oil from Amazon.com. You guys can find it there, or at any store that sells essential oils. Another oil that I'm going to be using is extra virgin olive oil. And I love extra virgin olive oil. It's so good for your hair, and that's why I chose it. Also, I'm going to be using 100% pure avocado oil. Make sure that the avocado oil that you're using is either organic or 100% pure, because there's a lot of like avocado oils out there that are not really 100% and that are watered down. So make sure you have 100% pure or organic avocado oil. So the other oil that I'm also going to be using is jojoba oil, and jojoba oil is so freaking amazing for your hair. It's so good for your hair. It's good for your scalp, so that's why I chose it. Jojoba oil, I'm using this one. This is the 100% pure and organic cold press unrefined. I got this on Amazon. Actually, I got this, the rosemary, and also the avocado oil from Amazon. So you can find them online, or like I said, at any store that sells oils. But make sure that they're organic or natural at least. And you could just use any type of bottle you want. I'm using this plastic bottle that I got on Amazon.com, and I like it because it has like this little thing that goes up, and if I really just want to apply the oil on my scalp, it's way easier. So that's why I chose to get that. Yeah, so let me tell you why I chose these oils. Avocado oil and olive oil are amazing oils for our hair. Olive oil is actually packed with vitamin A, B, and E oils, which are good for damaged hair because it locks in the moisture into our hair. Basically, the oil goes into the hair follicles and it locks in the moisture in our hair. So it's good for people who have dry hair. So my hair dries up, especially when after I do like a wash and go. So I love to put oils in my hair that are going to keep it moisturized, keep it shiny and hydrated. So that's why I use avocado oil and also olive oil, because they're packed with fatty acids, so they're going to seal your hair with moisture. So that's why I chose them. And they're packed, like avocado oil is packed with vitamin C, B, vitamin E as well. And it's actually, avocado oil actually has higher monosaturated fatty acids than olive oil does. But I love using both of them, and they promote my hair to grow, so I love using them. They're really good oils. Jojoba oil, I love jojoba oil. Like, it's so good for your hair. It's good for your scalp especially. It helps promote hair growth, and it also has a lot of antioxidants that are good for your hair. And I also am using rosemary oil. So the rosemary oil, I'm using about 20 drops of it in the oil. Rosemary oil is really good for your scalp as well, and it helps your hair get a supply of blood. So whenever you apply it on your scalp and you rub it, it helps your hair from not being dry, your scalp from being dry, and it also helps with dandruff. So it prevents you to have like dandruff as well. So it basically keeps your scalp moisturized and hydrated. So that's why I used it, and I love this oil, and I really hope that it helps you guys out because it definitely helped me out. So, and I basically eyeballed everything, so you don't have to. Alright, so I want to talk to you guys about the shampoos that I've been using. I've been using Alba Botanica. I love their products. I use their skincare products too. If you watched any of my previous videos, I talk about the shampoos. Not the shampoos, the freaking skincare stuff. So if you ever watch my videos, I always use Alba products, and these right here are my two favorite shampoos that they have. So I use these all the time. Actually, I don't use the shampoo as much because I usually do co-washing more than anything else. But this is the conditioner and this is the shampoo. And I really love Alba products. If you watch my previous videos, you see that I'm always posting something with Alba. I really love their products. And it's just been helping my hair a lot, and I really love this shampoo and this conditioner because it doesn't have any sulfates in it. It's sulfate free, which is like the most amazing thing for anybody who has curly hair. The thing with people who have curly hair is we need a lot of moisture. People of color, like you guys know, like we need as much moisture in our hair as possible. So I really love this shampoo and this conditioner because it's hydrating, one, and two, it's very like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just amazing, honestly. I love it because it's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it's definitely hydrating, it doesn't dry my hair out. I use it to deep condition as well. Like I use this to deep condition sometimes with my hair, and I love it. Like I honestly love it so much. I actually purchased this from BJ's. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that wherever you guys are, but some people have Costco, some people have BJ's. I bought this from BJ, and you guys can definitely find their online. They're everywhere. I was definitely in Target and Walmart. You can definitely find them even on their website. Amazon also has them as well. I don't know if you can get the big volume size one, but you definitely can find this one in a smaller size. But I love Alba products. Like I said, I love them so much, and I love using them. I've been using them prior to like well, a little bit prior to like me doing a big chop, but during the big chop I was using it a lot. So like I said, I usually co-wash with this twice a week, and I do like a deep clean like every 2 weeks with the shampoo. So I really love their products so much. Another thing that really helped me with my hair growing is Jamaican black castor oil. I love this stuff. It definitely helps, like honest to God. I even put it on my eyebrows and it helps with my eyebrows growing in. So I love black castor oil. This is the stuff right here. I love it. You can find this like anywhere, honestly. You can find it at your local drugstore. You can find it at a local beauty store, online. Yeah, you can find it anywhere, honestly. It's honestly everywhere. But I really love it because it does strengthen your hair. It definitely helps you to get thicker hair. So basically I apply it, well, I put it in this little container right here because it's more easier for me to actually put it on my scalp. So I'll put it on my scalp and then I will massage it into my scalp, and it's like perfect. You have to like massage your scalp all the time when you do it. So previous, like before recording the English version, I already had put castor oil in my hair because I was doing it in Tigrinya, my native language. So I had already applied it into my scalp. So I just rub it in like circular motions, and you know, basically you have to stimulate your scalp. So I'm stimulating my scalp while I'm, you know, massaging it, and that helps the blood rush, you know, the blood. Massaging is good because it helps with circulation of the blood, and if there's circulation in the scalp with blood, then well, your hair grows, right? It's good for that. So that's what I do, and after I put that into my hair, I mean not into my hair, into my scalp, sorry you guys. As when I put it in my scalp, I rub it around and massage it in my scalp. I go and use like a plastic wrapper like this. You guys can use a plastic bag too if you don't got this, but I use this right here and I put it into my hair, and I put my hair into it and I just let it sit like that for 2 hours. So I wouldn't really recommend you to sleep in the oil, but I definitely would say put the bag under your hair and, you know, just do whatever you want to do, like wash your dishes, do your laundry, clean the house, go study, do whatever you really want. But that's what I do. I put it in there for 2 hours and then I go and I wash it out. So I do this once a week, and it's definitely been helping. Like, honestly, it's been helping a lot. Sometimes I do it twice a week, but I don't really like to leave castor oil in my scalp because, you know, you don't want to clog your hair follicles from growing. And if you clog like your scalp, then, you know, the hair follicles get clogged and they really can't grow. So I only do it like once or twice a week, but usually it's once a week. So yeah, guys, so that's what I do when it comes to my hair. And yeah, so a lot of people ask me about hair stuff, and people have been asking like how I grew my hair so fast. So I also get like regular ends. I always get my ends trimmed as well, like regularly. So I go like 6 weeks to 8 weeks. Like, so I've been going 8 weeks now, but like every 8 weeks I go and I get my ends trimmed, and of course I do my oil treatments, of course, and I also do other treatments for my hair, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys in my next video. So I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, I'm on Instagram, so whenever you want to like contact me, you can definitely contact me on Instagram because I'm active on there all the time. Yeah, and I hope you guys like this video, so don't forget to put the thumbs up. Don't forget to share and comment if you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye, guys.